All right, here comes 8th grade stuff. This is day 1 of variables on both sides. So these are going to be really basic ones. What we're going to do is we're going to follow this whole big step process soon enough, but really for today we're going to start off skipping the first two. So we're going to move our variable, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So basically first step is to move the variable. Once you're there, it's going to look like a 2-step, so you trap your armadillo and go from there. So drop a line down your equal sign. Notice here you have b's on both sides. Which one's bigger, 3b or 1b? Hopefully you're saying 3b. So we're going to keep that here, and this b right here is the one that we're going to move. So I'm going to highlight him. Right now he's just 1b, positive 1b. So to move him, I have to do a minus b, because b minus b will give me nothing. So minus b here, if I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side. Line it up right underneath the other b's, and draw your line across. B minus b cancels out. I'm left over here with just 2. 3b minus a b is going to give me 2b, and I still have a minus 4. Hopefully now you're like, wow, that's easy. Looks just like normal. Add 4. Add 4. So 2b equals 6. Divide by 2. b equals 3. Example 2. Drop a line down your equal sign. 4d and 5d. Which one's bigger? The 5d. So this positive 4d is the one that we need to move. How are we going to move a positive 4d? We're going to move it by doing a minus 4d, the opposite. Do it to both sides. 4d minus 4d is no d's, so we just get 8 is left over there. 5d minus 4d is 1d. 1d is really just d, so d equals 8. Drop a line down this one. Look for your k's on both sides. 8k and negative 4. Who's bigger? The 8. It's bigger. So we're going to move the negative 4k. If it's a negative 4k, how do I move it? With a plus 4k. Put the plus 4k right underneath the 8k that's over there. 8k plus 4k is 12k plus 2. The 4k's cancel, and you still have a minus 10 over there. Subtract 2 from both sides. 12k equals negative 12. Divide by 12, and k equals negative 1. Example 4. This one looks scary. All it has is distributive property. 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. This is on the other side, so it only distributes over here. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 11 is a positive 33. Look at your x's. 10x and 3x. Who's bigger? 10x. So the 3x is what I need to take care of. Do a minus 3x to ditch it because it is positive. 10x minus 3x is 7x. I still have a minus 2. Cancel. Bring down the 33. Add 2. Add 2. 7x equals 35. Divide by 7. X equals 5. Example 4. Drop a line down. 5x, 2x. Which one's bigger? The 5x. So take care of the 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Make sure your x's get lined up. 5x minus 2x is 3x plus 2. Those cancel out. You're left with a positive 14. Minus 2. 3x equals 12. Divide by 3. X equals 4. Last one, drop a line down. I have positive 3h and negative 5h. The positives are bigger, so we're going to move things here. We're going to get rid of this minus 5h. Since he's a minus, we're going to do a plus 5h. So 7, 3h plus 5h is plus 8h equals, those cancel out, all I have is negative 1. Minus 7, he's your armadillo now. 8h equals negative 8. Divide by 8, h equals negative 1. Once we hit here, hopefully you're realizing this is just a 2-step. It's what you're used to, so the rest of the steps are the same. On the next page, we have 2 word problems. So, first one, Pristine Printing is making business cards for 10 cents each, plus setup charge for $15. So we're going to call this Christine, is 10 cents each. So 10 cents per card. So 10 cents X plus a $15 setup fee. Palace is offering 15 cents per card with a setup charge of $10. So plus the $10. So they are 15 cents but there's per card, but their setup fee is only $10. So how many cards will you have to order for them to cost the same or to be equal? So we want to know, when is this equal to this? So we're going to say 0.10x plus 15 equals 0.15x plus 10. Look at your x's. Which side is bigger? It's this one. So we're going to move this guy then. So we move the smaller one. So we're going to minus 0.10x from both sides. So we get 15. 0.15 minus 0.10 is 0.05x plus 10. You're at a two-stepper now. Here's your armadillo. 5 equals 0.05x. Divide by 0.05. And we get x equals 100. So for 100 cards, the cost is the same. Down here, your science class is doing an experiment. You start with two plants. Plant A is 5 centimeters tall, and plant B is 8 centimeters tall. So this starts off at 5, this starts off at 8. So plant A is fertilized and grows 2 centimeters per day. D for day. So it grows, which means we're adding 2 centimeters per day. Plant B is not fertilized and grows 1.5 centimeters per day. So plus 1.5 per day. Predict in how many days will the plants be the same height. So when are they equal? So plant A is equal to plant B. Look at your variables that are on both sides. Bigger, move the smaller. So we're going to minus 1.5d. So 5. 2 minus 1.5 is plus 0.5d. Cancels out. That leaves me with 8 minus 5. Jumped ahead of myself. Minus 5. So 0.5d. 8 minus 5 is 3. Divide by 0.5. D equals 6. So in 6 days, they'll be the same height.